Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. In this video, I will show you on how you can remove green screen in DaVinci Resolve 18. This will be quick and easy, so make sure to follow along. Let's start by launching your app and make sure you already imported the video you want to delete the green screen from, and the video you want it to be the background or to be behind it. So let's add this one in this box and add your green screen video as well. Make sure that the green screen video is at the top of your video that you wanted to be the background. Then on the bottom, click Fusion over here. And on the top, click on Search. Then type in Delta Keyer and click on that. After clicking that, it will appear here. Select the Delta Keyer on the bottom. Then go to Inspector over here. And on the background color, go on, click the drop icon here. All you need to do is click and drag it over the green part of your video. Now click on Matte on the top. You can adjust on the threshold to clean the green parts of your video that Dropper missed. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.